What's up guys, and welcome to my very first Java video. In this video, we're going to be solving a LeetCode problem called middle of the linked list. Just as it sounds, all we're going to be doing is finding the middle element of a linked list and returning it. For this solution, the algorithm that we're going to be using is called the tortoise and the hare. If you don't know what that is, I will be posting a link in the description to explain it a lot better than I can. But for simplicity's sake, all it is just two pointers pointing at the head node, and the slow pointer, the tortoise, will be moving one element each iteration, and the fast node, or the hare, will be moving two elements each iteration. And the reason we want to move once and then twice for different pointers will make a lot more sense once we get to the code. So let's just start coding. So as I said, we want two pointers pointing to the head node. So let's make those. List node, let's call the first one slow, pointing to the head node. The second one fast, also starting at the head node. And now we want some kind of loop to keep changing the pointers each iteration. So let's do a while loop. While, and the condition that we want to check is fast does not equal null. The reason we want to make sure it's not null is because we're skipping 2. So if we skip 2, and we skip 2 again, eventually it will be null, and when we're checking the next element of a null element, it won't work and it'll throw us an error. So we want to check if fast does not equal null. We also want to check if fast.next does not equal to null. Because if we're here, we're at the end of our linked list. We don't want to move again, right? So that's our condition we want to check. In our while loop, back to what I said, our slow pointer will move once each iteration. So we just do slow now equals slow dot next, and then fast will equals fast dot next, which is this one. We want to get to this one, so we're going to do dot next again, dot next. And that's all we need. And then all we have to do is return our slow element. Let's run this and see what we get. So we have all of our test cases. Let's try to submit. And there we go. We have solved the problem. Going back to the description, if the slow and fast didn't really make sense to you, or how slow will always be the middle element, I can try to explain it very quickly. So if we're here, both elements are here. The slow one comes here. The fast one comes here. No matter how big it is, because we're moving, the fast one is moving twice as fast as the slow one. As soon as fast one gets to the end of the linked list, the slow one will be directly at the middle, because fast is moving twice as fast as slow. So that is it. That is the solution to middle of the linked list using the tortoise and the hare algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any more content, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching and have a great